to my channel. Today I'll be doing a wash and go tutorial on 4B/4C hair. The products I use are Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. I use the Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel. I prefer the green one, but you can use whatever you like. I use all natural argan oil for my hair, and then I also use a natural coconut oil edge control to style my edges. Don't forget your brushes, combs, and other things that you use to style your hair, and you'll start off by deciding which side you want to part your hair on. So my hair has a natural middle part, but I don't really care for middle parts on my hair. I just don't think it looks right on me, so I always go for a side part. So for this look, I decided to do a right side part in my hair. So once you have parted your hair, you will section your hair off into 4 sections. You will need a hair tie to make loose ponytails with, or just use a clip and twist the hairs out of your way. I know I do 4 sections, but if you need to do 3 sections or even more than 4 sections, just do whatever is easiest for you to be able to style your hair. Once you have all your sections, you're going to choose one to start with. I typically like to start in the back and work my way to the front. And I will detangle my hair. Now I know I detangle in the shower with conditioner, but I didn't comb my hair out as well as I thought I did, so I'm doing a little bit extra detangling in this video. So I start off by grabbing the Cantu Coconut Conditioning Cream and applying it to my hair. Now for my hair, I use quite a bit more product than most people in order to style my hair, but you use however much you feel is needed for your hair and apply it to that section of hair, working it from the root of your hair all the way down to the tip. I use the prayer hands motion because I find this is a really good method of applying the product, and then I clip whatever hair I'm not working with out of my way. Next, I grab my all-natural argan oil and apply it the same way that I applied the Cantu. Now, the only difference with this is I don't apply as much because I don't want my hair to be oily. I just want to apply enough so that this section of hair is moisturized. And then here, I believe I was just showing you all the curl pattern of my hair because I have 2 different types. Now towards the front of my head, the curls are a lot looser, so it's like a 4B. But as you move towards the back of my head, my curls get a lot tighter, so it's more like a 4C type of coil. Then I am grabbing my Eco Styler and applying this to my hair. Now with this is what is going to really define your curls, so you really want to work this product throughout that section of hair. I use prayer hands, I do finger combing, and I just work it all the way from the root of my head all the way down to the ends of my hair. Once I am finished with that section, I go ahead and section off a new bit, clip off the bit that I'm not working on, and I repeat the entire process. So once again, I just detangle, I apply the Cantu and the argan oil to moisturize the hair, and then I apply the Eco Styler gel after that to define my curls. So once I finish the first section of my hair, I kind of try to play with it. It irritates me the most because you can see the difference in curl patterns, but I learned to get over it. And if your hair is anything like mine, I need my hair soaking wet to be able to style. So I just take a spray bottle with just plain old water and start re-wetting my entire section of hair. And then I'll just repeat the whole process. So I detangle it, I take the Cantu and the argan oil and really moisturize my hair so it can protect it from the Eco Styler, and then I really work that Eco Styler through my hair so my curls can be super defined when I'm finished. And I'm pretty sure I'm just going to go ahead and skip past all this. Just real quick, I wanted to show you all shrinkage at its finest. So I've completed a little more than half of my head. As you can see, I have the back completely detangled. My fingers are running through my hair super easily. It's super bouncy. The curling cream and the Eco Styler has really defined those curls. My hair's super voluptuous and I really like how it looks so far. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this so you can see the process while I complete the front of my hair. Just don't forget to like this video and make sure you comment below if you'd like to see more videos like this. So here is the finished wet look of my hair. As you can see, my curls are really defined. It's super moisturized. I love my hair when it looks like this, but unfortunately it doesn't necessarily stay like this because of my hair type. So if you like to let it air dry, you can do that. Just know your hair won't be as long as it is now. So I'm going to show you all what I do to help my hair dry and still retain this length. So I have a Revlon Frizz Control hair dryer, and I put this on a low heat setting, and I start targeting the roots of my hair. Now if you have a diffuser, I highly recommend you use that because it helps to hit the center of your head a lot easier, but I don't have a diffuser, so I'm using what I got, and I just really focus on getting those roots in my hair and kind of pull my hair while I'm drying it so that it will still remain long. And then once the roots are pretty much dry for the most part, I'll switch to a cool setting and start drying the ends of my hair. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you're done blow drying it. Of course, you'll want to still lay your edges because you can't slay any hairstyle without laying them edges, baby girl. So I use a soft bristle brush for this video. I normally have an actual like edge styling brush, but it got old, so I had to throw it away. So a soft bristle brush does just fine. As you can see, the curls aren't as defined as they were when it was wet. So like I said, if you want to air dry it, you can. It just won't be as long as you see here. But for me, I wasn't really worried about the definition for this look. I just really wanted to retain the length, and to me it's still super cute. I love how it turned out. It's super voluptuous. I think of course I still fluffed it out a little bit more to really get that look that I was going for. So I will post those pictures up here somewhere on the screen so you all can see the little selfies that I took. Other than that, this is the final look, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and comment below any other tutorials you'd like to see. Make sure you put your post notification bell on so you can know every time that I post. And that is it for this tutorial, y'all. Your favorite light-skinned curly girl is out. Bye.